Mobile apps are used in almost every business today. There are many ways for a business to make money with a mobile app. Your app will make a lot more money if it is popular and ranks high in app stores. This is mostly because they are making more money from ads and sales inside the app. We can easily make the case that Google Play Store is the best place to get apps right now. It keeps getting bigger. Every day more and more people join the Android world. This video will tell you about ideas for making money from Google Play Store. Before we start counting down the top ways to make money on Google Play Store, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Number 1. Selling your app on Google Play Store. Without a shadow of a doubt, selling your program through the Google Play Store is the most straightforward approach to generate revenue from that platform. If you want customers to choose your premium app over free alternatives, however, you will need to provide a service that's significantly superior to those other options. You will have identified the most straightforward way to make money from your app if you are successful in persuading customers to favor your paid software over the free one. Having success with premium apps, on the other hand, is not always a simple process. You will need to focus on a very particular sub-market and offer the most effective solution for that market. Users are not likely to select your app if you're unable to provide a solution to a very particular problem faced by your target audience and do it in the most effective manner as compared to those who also attempt to provide a solution. It's also worth keeping in mind that, in comparison to Android users, people who use iOS are more likely to invest money in paid applications. Number 2. Earning money from in-app purchases. One of the most prevalent and effective strategies for monetizing an app is through the use of in-app purchases. The majority of the applications are found in games and other forms of entertainment software. It's possible that your players will want to play for in-game stuff like game cash, new characters, character clothes, and other similar things if you offer them. Keeping your program free to download and use while yet generating revenue for you is possible using this method. Even if your app is not a game, you can still go this route if you choose to. For instance, you may provide the most fundamental functions at no cost, but label certain features as premium and enable customers to pay for access to those features. However, keep in mind that over the past few years, a significant number of users have developed a strong aversion to in-app purchases and microtransactions. Games that primarily include bought items in particular are often referred to as pay-to-win games, and some players may choose to avoid playing them. You will need to strike a delicate balance in this situation. Number 3. Make money via in-app advertising. Surveys have found that in-app advertisements are present in approximately 49% of the mobile apps. Although advertising revenue has historically lagged behind that of in-app purchases by a sizable margin, this gap is narrowing with each passing year. This choice grants you the ability to offer the users of your app a free download of it. As a result, you will be able to convince a significantly greater number of consumers to download and test out your software. The in-app purchase option is not going to be available to users, so they won't have to spend anything to use your software. Simply including the phrase "no in-app purchases" in your app description increases the likelihood that users will download your product. Despite the fact that they do not in any way contradict one another, you can increase the amount of money you make from your app by combining the revenue from in-app purchases with advertisements. Nevertheless, this calls for a delicate equilibrium. When you heavily highlight both advertisements and products for sale, it may give users the impression that you're trying to shove them down their throats. If you wish to use both alternatives simultaneously, you have to walk a very tight line. One more thing to think about is the fact that moderation is the secret to having success with mobile advertisements. Please refrain from inserting massive advertisements every few minutes. This will distract the users from what they're attempting to do and will have a very bad influence on their overall user experience. Users can be encouraged to consume advertisements in a more positive manner by providing incentives, such as awards for watching video advertisements. You can incentivize users to view advertisements by giving them credits, vouchers, or in-game goodies. They will feel as though they have been rewarded for their free will in choosing to watch the advertisements in this manner. Number 4. Making money with a sponsorship. The benefit of obtaining a sponsorship contract for your app might be manifold if you're successful in doing so. To begin, having a well-known sponsor can be beneficial for the publicity of your app. Then, a lucrative sponsorship contract can cover a significant portion of the expenditure associated with your design, development, and marketing, which will ultimately lead to an increase in your income. If you have one or more sponsors for your app, you will get a good start in the competition to make money from the Google Play Store. Number 5. Generating money with a subscription system. Making your app fit for a subscription model is another way that you may increase your chances of making money with it. Users who have subscribed to your app and have access to fitness routines it provides will have access to more specialized exercises. If you stream videos or music, your subscribers could be able to access high-quality content or a wider variety of playlist selections. If you develop material and distribute it on your app, you might provide subscribers early access to new content before making it available to people who aren't paying for the app. Lastly, your app might charge a nominal fee for subscribers to participate in campaigns, receive coupons, or receive discounts. Your income would be directly proportional to the number of the subscribers you had, making it highly predictable. In-app purchases and advertising revenues, both of which are subject to greater levels of volatility, might be contrasted with this alternative. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and share your views about it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos about online earning and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.